And welcome to Crock Pot Wednesday. Today's meal is going to be outside in my little fire pit I have here. So I'm going to share with you what I'm making today. So the first thing we're going to make is some smoked fresh turkey kielbasa. I got it for $1.49 and I found it in my freezer. And then I'm going to fry up some bacon for a video coming up of making potato soup. And then we're going to make some rice to go with the kielbasa. One thing I love about cooking outside is you don't have to worry about the heat in your kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and heat the water up, and when the water is boiling we will add our rice. So right here I have a meal for today and I have the bacon for tomorrow. Now as you can see, this bacon is really fat, but that's okay because what I'm going to use it for is I'm going to crumble it up. There's no mess in the house and there's no heat in the house. I really enjoy cooking outside. It's a lot of fun. You can sit and you can watch the nature and you can hear the birds sing. And you don't have to worry about the mess. Slower way of cooking. You know, you don't microwave something and it only takes a few minutes. I often think about the pioneers and how they had to really think about what they were going to make that day. Or maybe they ate the same thing every day, but they had to do a lot of things to prepare. Like, it took me about an hour to get enough of wood burning that I have some really good white coals and ashes. So I had a really good heat going. What did they do when it rained? What did they do when all of these circumstances happened in their life? For me, if it rains or if it's snowing, I can just go ahead and cook indoors. Wow, our water's boiling already. Time to add the rice. Food is just about finished. So the next time you'll see me, I'll be in the kitchen and I'll share with you what everything looks like. Well, everything is finished. And let me tell you, the rice is amazing. There is no rice cooker that can make rice this good. This is the first time I made rice on an open fire, and look how fluffy it is. It's just so fluffy. It's amazing. So we're going to have rice. And then we're going to have some of the chicken kielbasa over top of the rice. Now I do have some leftover peas that I will add here when my husband gets home, but I'll show you how I'm going to make it. So we're going to put just a little bit of some salsa on. To give it flavor, barbecue sauce you can do as well. Isn't that good? And look how beautiful and crispy the bacon got. So when this cools off, I'm going to crumble this up and use it for my potato soup. Well, this was a little bit of a different video, but you're going to see a lot more videos like this of cooking outside. So, let me give it a taste test and see. Something about cooking on an open fire makes a really smoky flavor. Something about cooking on an open fire gives a really smoky flavor. It's just a really good, woodsy type of flavor. Mmm, that's really good. Add a little ketchup, barbecue sauce. Mmm. I'm really impressed with the rice. The rice is really good. Well, everyone, take care and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you do some cooking on an open fire. It's a lot of fun. And it's relaxing as well. Bye, everybody. It's time once again for Fanny's Diary, and we are on June the 5th, 1943. And Fanny writes, "Today we planted more tobacco. I packed 6 more quarts of strawberries for in the locker. We have a meeting tonight at the church. The church members are going to decide what kind of hymnals that we are going to get. Another really damp and rainy evening."